Hello, I am so happy you are watching this video to help get ready to become fluent multipliers and get ready to make numbers work for your brain so you can be efficient and fluent when solving problems. But let's get ready to learn. So I'm going to show you some dots and you need to tell me how many you see. You're only going to see them for just a few seconds, so make sure you're paying attention. Are you ready? Here we go. How many dots did you see? Did you count them all by one? Did you see different groups? Maybe you saw groups like this. Maybe you saw 2, 2, and 3 in the middle. Maybe you saw 3, 3, and 1 in the middle. Seeing groups without having to count them is something that mathematicians call subitizing. This is when you see a group together without having to count them. A lot of times we can remember this by dice. When we play games, we don't always have to count how many are on each dice every time. We can recognize the pattern and know that it's the number. So when we see 4 dots like this, we know that's 4 because we've seen the pattern and we know it. When there's a dot in the middle of the 4 pattern, we know that's 5. When we see 3 and 3, we know that's 6. Our brains recognize a pattern and understand that quantity. Let's try another one. Are you ready? How many did you see? Did you see groups of 3 like this? Or maybe you saw groups of 3 like this. There is no right answer and there is no wrong answer. As long as you are seeing groups, you are subitizing. Good work. Let's try one more. Are you ready? This is a tough one. How many did you see? Did you see groups? Maybe you saw lots of groups of 3s. Maybe you saw groups like from our picture before of 3s, and then you recognized it was the same on the other side and you just doubled your groups from the first picture. Again, there is no wrong answer on how you subitize. Subitizing is how you can make numbers work for your brain and how you can recognize quantities and make them make sense to you. Our next video, we'll be talking about unitizing, which is just making a unit from these different groups. Thanks for watching.